Hello everyone, welcome back to my fluency journey. And in this video, I'm learning some new grammar lesson and also practice some grammar exercise with you. So please be ready with some grammar lesson. Firstly, we will discuss the basics of grammar lesson, and then we will do some grammar exercise and also a tense exercise. So the lesson is participle phrases. A participle phrase begins with a present ing form or participle past participle, or which is a word verb third form, and act as an adjective modifying a sound. Types of participle phrases: present participle, running down the street he tripped. Running down the street, right? Describes he. Past participle, exhausted by the workout she fell asleep. Describes she. A participle phrase must be placed near the noun it modifies, or the sentence becomes confusing, called a dangling modifier, right? It aids details, often making writing more concise and vivid. The girl wearing a red dress smiled at me. Tired of what? Tired of waiting, he left the station. So, rewrite each sentence using a participle phrase. She was crying loudly. She walked out of the room. Okay. 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 How you can? He was impressed by the speech. He applauded enthusiastically. Enthusiastically uploaded. Cause. Or I don't know. She fell asleep. She tripped. So she walked out of the room. She walked out of the room, exhausted by workout, or cried. As she cried, impressed by speech. Impressive speech is impressive, or the sun was setting. We reached at the top of the hill. Setting of sun. Tide of waiting. Okay, let's try something. Oh no, this is new to me, right? She was crying loudly. She walked out of the room. Uh, Lee walked out of the room. He impressed speech uploaded enthusiastically. Okay. The sun was setting, right? And we reached the top of the hill. Uh, Sun was setting. Reached the top of the hill. I don't think it will. It is correct. Just for the answers I was writing. Then we will check with the answers the ChatGPT will provide, because this is to I don't know. I just learning new things, right? The document were signed by the manager. They weren't. They were sent to the client. Okay, IDK. The boy opened the door. He saw the surprise party. Okay, let's do the tense exercise. Okay, she already. She okay. Past perfect versus past simple. She had. She already ate. Already ate. She already ate. We never see such a beautiful sunset before that day. We never saw. So they finished the project before the deadline. They finished. He fell asleep We we live in Delhi. Okay, let's check the answers. Okay. Okay, correct answer. She crying loudly walked out of the room, right? Okay, it's also he impressed by the speech uploaded enthusiastically. Correct answer. So we reach the top of the hill, the sun setting behind us. What the fuck is this? Signed by the manager. The documents were sent to the client. Signed by the manager. The documents were sent to the client. The boy opened the door. He saw the surprise party. Opening the door, the boy saw the surprise party. Okay, right. Correct, 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 correct. Okay, incorrect. He fell asleep. Okay, I was thinking we had lived. So where is she'd already eaten when we arrived? Is past perfect in this? Okay, I missed. I missed it, right? Okay. If you enjoyed the video, or if you please support me because I'm new to the YouTube, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I will bring some more these type of videos. And please check out tongue twisters, Hindu doing the translations, live book reading sessions, and advanced grammar exercises, and advanced vocabulary. Please watch out and subscribe to the channel, please.